So let's go. I'm wandering around the old city. It is old and has a lot of caves. See this one. See the second one.
What's up, bro?
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessyn Kure and this is BKS's. Well, today we are wandering. I'm using wandering because I don't have a map and all I'm doing is taking stairs and just walking from place to place. Yes, I will be taking you with me in 4K to enjoy the old city of Luxembourg and its old walls and fortifications that was used during the World Wars as well as the Korean War. It's been beautiful being in Luxembourg and I really want to share that with you, so come along. I will also be sharing little facts and bits that you need to know about Luxembourg as I go, so you don't want to miss that. Before we continue, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe because I have more videos coming up. So let's go. It's a bit chilly here, so if cold is an issue for you, I mean not chilly in a very freezing way, predominantly chilly in a the trees are breathing way. This place is spooky. I think this is an emergency exit, but I am not going in there. Vents. This is the door leading to the watchtower. Up there is the watchtower. There's a lot of secret passages and tunnels and interconnected routes here. Like, see these routes? Hundreds of years. Guys, I think I am back exactly where I started. Yeah, should have gone straight. And then there are also crawling tunnels. I am not going in there. Can you see? Still not going in there. We take straight. Okay, we could take the left. Let me see what I can see was at the end of it. Okay, I think looks promising. Let us go if it looks promising. Oh, this is one of the best purchases I've made in Luxembourg. I saw it at a fair yesterday and I was like, yes, let's take it. Yeah, this I presume will be a watchtower, and it has inscriptions of lovers. Would you look at that? This love people just find everywhere to do their love. Anyways, if you are a lover, You can come here with your love and inscribe your name on this fortress watchtower. This would have taken a lot of energy to draw because it's wood is a stone, very solid stone. Okay, to take a break. Now let's keep walking. I need to get to another store and then to the final day of the show before. Let's go to the guy now. According to the signboard behind me, which is not in English, but based on the drawings and the design, as a person in construction industry or who studied construction, it simply means I think they're going to remodel this old city, make it parks, make it recreational centers, but still maintain its old relic status. So this will be another mega tourist site come a few years. So if you're considering coming to Luxembourg, you can check whenever it is completed. I feel this is a good place to come. Pro tip, if you're coming here, wear canvas. See mine? Yes. Okay. Because I try to make this as honest as possible, I would suggest you eat. Come with water. And also avoid climbing so much. The good thing I've noticed about the city is, I think because of how small it is, almost everywhere you want to go is not so far. Gale Fair is just here, is walkable. City Center is just close by as well. The UNESCO site where we're seated currently is also just trekkable from there. So if you love to walk, this will be heaven for you. Yes, I found it. Oh. We are on the old bridge and the view below is just as beautiful as the view above from below. Does that make any sense? Because it makes a lot of sense to me. All the hiking and all the walking to get up here was totally worth it. And now we're just going to keep walking more into the city and getting wanderlust. This is the perfect stop if you're just at the airport and you need to have some time to kill. Definitely just try walking around the city. Of course, that's if you don't have luggage. And even if you have luggage, I think they should have locker spaces at the Luxembourg airport. I kind of not sure, but then I will check and then put it in the description if they do, or the links to booking it, because I would love to help you. You're welcome. One of the best things to do in Luxembourg, even if you are just having a layover and you have very little or no time, is to walk around the city. Just take it all in. It's a mixture of like old buildings, modern day buildings, history, and new generation tech. It's just at every turn there's something for you to see. I have seen a ridiculous amount of fast cars and awesome power bikes in the last, at every stop, at every point. It's like mind blown, mind blown, mind blown. What do you expect from a country that has been dubbed the richest country in the world based off on their GDP? It's only befitting to have fast cars of that caliber here. My selfie stick and my tripod my remote controls that I had planned to take pictures with died, so now I'm stuck with selfies. I run into one of the tourists. I'll first take a picture, then take them a picture, and then they take you a picture. Good trade. Fine. I opted to get something quick to eat on my way, and it was €5. And then the water was 4.5 euros as well. Oh well. Oh my god, is that rain? I got carried away with the buildings and I went in the other direction as opposed to going on the old bridge where we were headed initially, so I'm heading back. Oh, and there are these tour buses. If you want to be a standard tourist, you could book them and they take you around and show you around too. I decided to just walk on my own because that's my fun. Like behind me, it's more older structures and more history, and then in front of me, it's like the future. We are on the bridge. Do you remember the bridge we could see from down below? Yes, so we are on the bridge now, and that point where the flags are, just below it was where we were sitting. The tram gets a little noisy, but everything else is fabulous. I finally got someone that took me amazing pictures, and guys, I cannot tell you the joy. Thank you. With this, we have come to the end of this tour slash what to do slash the real experience slash unfiltered experience walking all over. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that I come your way next time. I am Blessyn Kure.